Belize is known for being beautiful, but it is the most expensive country in Central America, where if you are not careful, you can spend huge amounts of money. So, in this video, we give you some tips and tricks to save a lot of money and make your trip to this wonderful country affordable. We are in Key Calkier, and a cheap way to get here is by fast catamaran from Belize City. We go by tour to snorkel a site where we should see sharks and stingrays. Talk to the local person to get the cheapest tour operator. As soon as we dive into the sea, we start to see sharks. We are on a highway of sharks and stingrays. Are so many that it is impossible to count them, and sometimes they bump into us. The last stop is to visit the cute tarpon fish. This island has many lodges, and some of them are not mentioned in internet, and they are the cheapest. So if you want, you can come here without a reservation and visit some of them. A drone footage of this incredible and wonderful island. Party until late night is a great and funny experience in this island, but get drunk can be very expensive. If you liked the video so far, please support us by subscribing to our channel. We move by catamaran to another gem, Key Ambergris. And the charming and livable San Pedro is waiting for us. Everywhere in Belize you will find street food the cheapest, and sometimes a family can cook. Ask around the locals. Instead of taking an expensive tour, we rent a kayak to explore the outer reef in front of this wonderful island. Much cheaper. Ready to snorkel and dive this fantastic blue water, a bit far away from the coast. We see a strange but familiar tail. Let me check the other side of the crave eyes. A site where a conservation project grows corals for study and research purposes. With the catamaran, we sail from Key Ambergris to return to Belize City, which is not the capital of Belize. New look for this jewel of car that has driven us since Panama. We are going to Hopkins Bay and the road is dirt, but in fair condition. If you do not have your own car, you can travel by local bus. We finally arrived in Hopkins Bay. The bay has calm and celestial waters, where you can swim peacefully and relax with friendly locals. With lots of enthusiasm, a fast boat and a lovely local guide, we are going to visit the reef outside the bay. The coral here is amazing, with vivid color surrounded by incredibly blue waters. With our excellent and friendly Belizean guide, we visit some beautiful mangrove islands while enjoying a breathtaking sunset. A beautiful view from the drone of this wonderful place. We hope you enjoyed the video and our tips and tricks can be helpful. To support us, please subscribe to our channel and comment. Thank you and see you on the next video. Ciao!